Welcome to Crypto Millionaire Academy, guys. Thanks for following the channel. Today's video is on Powr Ledger. Powr Ledger has announced today that they're excited that the POWR token has been listed on Coinbase. So there's a lot of value and interest all of a sudden in Powr Ledger. They actually have a really good product. And they are in the energy field, and they're in Australia. It's an Australian crypto-based project, but there's actually real utility behind Powr Ledger, and they're doing some good things. So we're going to get into that. We're going to get into a price prediction. We'll get into an overview of what Powr Ledger is, and where do we see the price going, and also what do we think about the project. Okay, so first of all, let's get into that. We'll get into the Coinbase listing here, so you can see that they posted that today. So basically, Coinbase said yesterday Powr Ledger is launching on Coinbase Pro. And then they gave you a quick little idea of what pairings are going to be on Coinbase Pro. Those pairings are Powr USD, Powr USDT, and Powr EUR. So that's going to be the pairings for Powr. And it also gives you a quick little description of what Powr is. Powr Ledger is an Ethereum token that powers the Powr Ledger platform, which aims to enable peer-to-peer energy trading. Powr is required to participate in Powr Ledger and help secure its various products, including energy trading, clean energy tracking, and verification. So here is the Powr Ledger website. Powr Ledger is the operating system for the new energy markets, enabling tracking and trading of energy, flexibility, services, and environmental commodities. Powr Ledger chosen for BHP Chile sustainability project. So they have actually built a platform here where you would use the Powr token to trade energy. So it has real utility within their network. So the Powr token has that real utility, and there's real value behind the token. So yeah, definitely a great project. Definitely very interesting. They have built something that, you know, they're in Australia, but they have built something to hang on to, okay? So obviously with this news, the Powr Ledger price decided to pump. Obviously this is very exciting. So in the last 24 hours, Powr Ledger has went from $38. Yeah, so with Powr Ledger being listed on Coinbase, we have seen the price shoot from 38 cents to 93 cents in the last 24 hours, and it's up 88% right now. And this is what happens when something that's listed on Coinbase Pro. I said Coinbase, actually Coinbase Pro, but when something is listed, it gets a lot of initial excitement, and that initial excitement can drive the price up, and that's what's happening with Powr Ledger. Where can you get Powr Ledger? So Powr Ledger is now listed on Binance. It's been listed on Binance. A lot of the volume is coming from Upbit, Binance, BitThumb, Uniswap, KuCoin. If you're in the US, you're probably going to go to either Uniswap or KuCoin if you're in the United States to get Powr. And then now you can get on Coinbase Pro later on today, because they're going to be, according to the Coinbase announcement, trading will begin on 9 a.m. Pacific time, Tuesday, November 16th, if liquidity conditions are met. So that's when trading will begin. That's when trading will begin for Powr on the Coinbase Pro app. But yeah, that's a big one. The Powr is being added to Coinbase Pro. That's pretty big. So what else can we find out about Powr? Well, Powr Ledger, like we said, the all-time high for Powr Ledger, so 93 cents is the high in the last 24 hours. The all-time high, let's look at the chart. It's the yearly chart. If you look at the yearly chart, it's been pretty much, you know, it's almost 12 cents in June. It was 12 cents in June. So it had really, the price had really decreased. And then now we're getting a rise back up to the previous highs. The previous resistance was, looks like the previous resistance was around 65 cents. It shot through that, and now it might be coming back down to 65 cents and to test it, and then maybe it might bounce back up once it's listed on Coinbase Pro. So it may test 65 cents. Now, what can I say? The all-time high for Powr Ledger happened during the last bull run in 2018, end of 2017, beginning of 2018. And that was a $2.01 high. So it's 65% off from that high. So yeah, it can still go back there possibly. Now, where do we see it going at the end of this year? Well, this is from Digital Coin Price, and you can see end of this year $1.01, end of next year $1.15. So the end of 2021 $1.01, the end of 2022 $1.15, the end of 2023 $1.52, The end of 2024, $1.61. The end of 2025, $2.01. The end of 2026, $2.40. The end of 2027, $2.78. The end of 2028, $3.15. So yeah, really bullish right now because they have that utility in their system. As you can see, this chart just shot up here on the daily. We're really high on the RSI now, and we're really high on the MACD. We got the crossover of the 5 and the 20 EMA. So yeah, this price move is definitely an imminent price move. The question now is, when something goes up 100%, is it going to keep pumping or really go back down? I don't know. I'm guessing, if you're looking at what I'm thinking we're going back down to probably 65. We're going back down to here, this area, and test it, and then maybe go back up. That's what I'm looking at on the charts. That's what I'm seeing on the charts. Let me know if you guys see anything different. We also have something here at 61 cents. You know, I'm seeing that that's where we could be going back to, and then it's just a matter of, you know, once we get there, are we going to continuation from 50 and 60 cents? Once we go down there, are we going to bounce back up? That's going to be the key thing. So I do think this is going down. People are going to start selling, and I think it may bounce around 60 cents, but we'll see. But I do think we're going to go down a little bit and then possibly bounce up in the future. What else can I tell you guys about Powr? Well, Powr Ledger, like we said, has been listed on Coinbase. Big news. Going to attract a lot of different people now that it's been listed on Coinbase. You saw my price prediction for the end of the year. My price prediction is $1.01 for the end of the year. And then for next year, at the end of 2022, $1.15. We looked at the chart. The chart looks pretty good. Coming back down to maybe 60 cents, 50 cents, and then bouncing back up, possibly, depending on the hype. But that's the chart that we have. Okay, so we have, and also, you guys, you could join us at Crypto Million to get our inside calls, or meme coins, or inside calls on, you know, you're ready for 5, 10, 50, 100x profit returns? Are you ready to make major profits trading crypto? Are you tired of losing trades and your money to the market? Are you ready to switch from the slow lane to the fast lane and winning trades now? Do you want to buy or sell the crypto market? Are you looking for the next 100x undervalued crypto gem? No more excuses. Join the Crypto Millionaire Fastlane VIP trading group right now. Join the group and you'll get those inside information, guys. Alright guys, thank you for following the channel. I really appreciate your support. The big news today, Powr Ledger added to Coinbase. Big news today. Alright guys, thank you for following the channel. God bless America. Be good to each other out there. Bye.